Hello, so I am doing the sprint reviews for our group, Let's Get It. I'm going to take you on a tour of what we have so far, starting with our website. It's really, there's the basic structure. We created it through Salesforce. We have our link right here, along with some of just the standard format pages, accessibility requirements. I have shared my credentials with the team, and we are able to log in and individually and be able to do whatever we need to do throughout the team wherever we are. So here's the link, our URL that we have it. I have it pulled up right here. Of course, I put that the default screen would be under construction because we are still currently working on the basic formatting and different requirements for the site. But yeah, so for right now we have that. We just have done a couple of permission and accessibility requirements, and that's just about it, just the basic structure. Then second, we created our schema, our database schema with our four different entities and the relationships between the four. As you can see, we have company, client, email, and activity. So here's our database schema that we're going to be importing and manipulating the data that we are given. And that's what the third and fourth requirements for our sprint were, to manage donors and manage categories. We imported the data that was given to us through ELC. One was company, one was client, and we obviously can see right here through this data wizard that we created 115 for this and 423. So currently right now we have imported the data, and the only thing that we're still trying to work on is connecting and linking the data that we've imported with this schema builder. Obviously, it matched. It was able to kind of recognize and map some of the column names when we're importing it. So I don't know if it automatically does that and knows that because of the website, but and the account that it's on. But I was just wondering if there was an additional step that we had to do to make sure that the data was connected with the schema. But yeah, so that's all for this sprint. We have imported the data, manipulated it, managed it, cleaned it up a little bit, formatted it to our newly built schema in there. That was our, obviously, a domain class diagram that we had done in previous deliverables. And here's just our website and just the current, the bare bones of our website that is hope to take a better shape within the next sprints. So yes.